Well, that's at South Block. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh is chairing that important meeting, a crucial meeting as far as the three service chiefs are concerned. The CDS is also present and they are briefing Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. Soon after this meeting will end, the schedule that we have got from Defence Minister Rajnath Singh is that he will be meeting DRDO chief next, and soon after that there would be a separate meeting with the Chief of Defence Staff, Mr. Anil Chauhan, as well with Rajnath Singh at the South Block. And post that, the sources have told us that Rajnath Singh can be headed to 7 Lok Kalyan Marg, which is Prime Minister's residence, and Prime Minister will be briefed about all the recent developments that had taken as far as the line of control and the international border is concerned. Of course, the Indian Armed Forces have issued a statement this morning. Later, it is the Border Security Force who had also come out with a video proof of Indian Armed Forces destroying the Pakistani bunker and neutralizing 7 terrorists in the Samba district on the intervening night of 8th and 9th May. The proofs had been given that Pakistani armed forces were giving cover fire, and that time it was the 7 terrorists who wanted to infiltrate towards the Indian territory. The Border Security Force was on alert. They had detected them and neutralized them at that point of time. So that's one of the achievements that had been lauded by many as far as the Border Security Force vigilance is concerned. But that separate meeting is underway. Soon after that, as I said, Rajnath Singh will be meeting CDS, and the DRDO chief meeting is also coming up next.
All right.